To change a PayPal payment from goods and services to friends and family, follow these steps. First, understand the difference between the two payment types. Goods and services payments offer buyer protection, but charge a fee, whereas friends and family payments have no fee, but offer no buyer protection. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the activity page where you will find the payment you want to modify. Step 2. Click on the payment details to view the transaction summary. Step 3. Click on the Issue with this transaction button and select the option that best describes your reason for changing the payment type. Step 4. PayPal will prompt you to confirm that you want to change the payment type to friends and family. Confirm that you understand the implications of this change, including the loss of buyer protection. Step 5. The payment sender and recipient will both receive an email notification of the payment type change. It is essential to note that the payment type can only be changed if the payment has not been claimed or if the recipient has not transferred the funds to their bank account. Additionally, the payment type can only be changed by the sender, and only within a limited time frame after the payment was made. Best practice is to communicate with the recipient before changing the payment type to ensure both parties are aware of the implications. It is also crucial to understand that friends and family payments are for personal, non-commercial transactions, and using this payment type for business transactions can result in account restrictions. By following these steps and understanding the implications of changing a PayPal payment type, you can modify the payment to suit your needs, while also avoiding potential issues with your PayPal account.